Over the last 3 years, I've helped hundreds of senior professionals get remote work and become location independent, so they can live a life of freedom and flexibility. In this video, you'll hear how the Remote Job Academy helped one of our rebels to get a remote job and experience the freedom to work from anywhere.
My name is Brandon Beiser. I'm currently located in the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States of America. My career interests are in the field of consumer insights, which is basically how to make their lives more successful with tools and resources that you can provide them based on what they provide you, through their actions, behaviors, and so on. I was searching for 4 months before I joined the academy. The challenges I faced were how to break the cycle of seeing the same thing over and over again. So it's understanding, the nuances of how to, search for a job beyond, the routines that I had done. There's an evolving nature to this, and I wanted to understand what was available to me beyond what was visible to me. I signed up for the Remote Job Academy to understand the breadth, depth, and complexities of what remote work or virtual work or distributed work really meant. How do you build a professional persona or professional skills to be able to work with people that are in all these different places? I think that's what really drew me is yes, I would learn how to get a remote job. If I want a remote job, that means every other person I work with is probably remote too. So how do I work with them in a more successful, meaningful, and useful way? The first thing was understanding how the job search works, how to navigate all these other resources. How did I use the other parts of the internet to, understand what's available to me? The second thing is understanding how to create a grounding or a foundation for what I'm looking for in a new role. My resume felt very stuck, so I tried making it unstuck using this way, and I think that helped. The people. The community, I met people from 6, 7, 8 different time zones. We're here together. We have, committed to trying this out. And I think the other thing is the permanent nature of the resources. What you present in this Remote Job Academy may aesthetically change, but the basics don't. I still save all the emails. I save every weekly job email. So I have a little more visibility into the world to be an active contributor where I am now or where I could be in the future if that changes. Yes, unequivocally. When I was offered the job, I had the same questions. Can I work from where I want to work? How do I understand certainties versus uncertainties, all those other things? And I was okay, we reached a point where this is the best available opportunity for me. And I knew it was best available opportunity based on what I learned in the Remote Job Academy. I would say it depends. It depends at how invested the person who's, committing to this is. But if you come in there with at least the shred of a goal, you will lead yourself down that road very quickly. You're looking for a job, there is a remote job out there. You just may have to work harder than you think to get there or wait longer to find it. You just have to, be patient. It's not impossible. It just may be less possible than you wish to believe. But as you get closer, the reward feels immense. There is an immense benefit and reward to waiting until you find the right thing.